All right.
I know that I got a pigtail or something, but I forgot.
You forgot what? So your light come on when you turn this on.
Right. So I pigtail to this, right?
You want this light to come on. This light do come on when you turn it on, right? Because you did everything right. Now, I want you to have another light to come on the same time when this light come on. So what you going to do?
Oh, pigtail this. And then run this line through here.
Whatever you got to do to make both lights come on.
I just
Wait. Say it again.
I just asked him, and he said that I should go to the top.
No, I told you.
But if that's at the top, if
What I did was this.
Oh, here we go.
I did this, and then I said, do you 6 inches, and then you work from
That's-
that.
but you can't do 6 inches in there, you already got it. But yeah.
You do this.
That's the second time in a row you done set me
Now
up.
you do.
But right now, you know how you got it. I don't do it like that because you got it so tight. I always, look, before you to cut this, I always make sure you have it where you can support it. So this pose it, and you never bring it straight across. You always have somewhere it comes down, up, in. You see what I'm saying? You never want it like this. You're going to have that inspector, man, check the whole house out. Be like, oh, heck to the no.
So I
Yeah, he a rookie. I'm just saying.
I'm saying, like, do you want me to? Because I have.
I won't put it. I'm gonna put it to the world, bro. It's your name on it. You know, on TikTok it,
So what
and
you want me to
YouTube it, and Instagram it.
It's your wire.
Do you want to correct?
It's
you don't-
it's your face that's on here.
All right, you don't care.
They know you.
Now you know what to do.
Clearly, you don't care. So.
Just get it long enough. That's all. I care when you do it right. See, the thing is, when you work, I want you to be like, man, did I do that work?
How you work these? You put them
Yeah, but that's not gonna be enough wire though.
I was just.
Since you're going here, brother, right? Since you're going here, you go right here, right? Act like you forming it up. You know you're going in, and just cut it right here. Now, that's how it's going to be. You see that?
I guess that's easier.
Now, let me see how you're going to do it. That's how it's going to look. Tighten it up.
Tighten it up.
Tighten it up. All that money. Anyway, just tighten it up right there, like there. All that money. That's how he's gonna put it in, right? 2 lights gonna come on. 2 lights came on. Give him a hand clap. Good going, sir. You're getting better. Now we're gonna rip this off, and then you're gonna work on 3-way. But you want to speed that up. Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my bad.
That's
You
just
want to do
natural
it 3-way.
habit, huh?
Yeah, it's a habit.